Hi, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. In today's SQL Accounting System tutorial, I'll talk about sales order. Let's go to SQL Accounting Sales module. Normally, when you send a quotation to your customer and they confirm on the quotation, sometimes they'll send in a purchase order. A purchase order from customer will be your sales order internally. Maybe your customer did not send the purchase order but just sign on the quotation or just directly call you. If you want to record this order, then you should key under sales order. Sales order is just a business document. It will not have any impact on accounting nor stock control. So it's just a normal document. Okay, but this is very important to do tracking. If let's say your colleague have received a call from customer saying that they want to order certain things and the colleague on leave for 2 weeks. So can you imagine after 1 week your customer will call in and complain why you have not sent the goods and things like that, but no one actually know that there is an order by this customer. So normally I will advise customer, if possible, then do sales order, so for easier tracking. Now let's go to sales order. Same as other transactions, once you go into sales order, you can see a list of all the sales order that you have keyed in before. So by using different column, you can search for a particular sales order. Let's say you go to sales order number, you type a number, let's say 9, you're able to search for the sales order. Let's say you cannot remember the order, maybe at the company, you can just type the company name. So you can search. So that's why every column is a searching criteria. And then let's say you want to use other column or criteria to search and it's not available over here. There's two methods. The first one, of course, right click the column title, any column title, field chooser, then drag out the field that you want. Example, phone. Just drag, drop. So phone will be available. Don't want, drag, drop back. Or you don't want any column, right click the column title, remove this column. The second trick will be at the column title, most left, there will be a small button with multiple lines. Click on it, then you can call out any field that you want. Area will call out, untick, area will disappear. So over here, let's say you want to create a new sales order, just click on the new button, then you can start with the transaction by choosing the customer. Please remember, you do not require to memorize all the customer code, item code in SQL Accounting System, because you can directly type the name and that customer will be appear. So let's say when you type the name, nothing appear, is because the focus of searching is not under the company name, it's under company name 2. So to make it back to company name, what you need to do is click on the tab key at your keyboard, tab, it jump, tab again, it jump to company name. So type the name, come up. Sales order number will be automatically used. Date, agent, terms also automatically. If you want to change, you can change it accordingly. So let's select item, click on the plus sign, then you can select item. Same thing, type the name will do. If you want to use the name as or description as searching criteria, enter. So you can change the quantity and so on. Change the price, put discount, plus again use another item. Now you can do this directly straight to sales order if there is no quotation that issued before. But let's say there is a quotation issued before, and the information actually can be transferred from that quotation instead of retype again. So what you need to do is select the customer first, then right click the title of sales order, right click it, then you can see that you can transfer from quotation. Click on it, depend on module you purchase, either you can transfer by item or transfer by document. Okay, so let's say by item, you can transfer these 2 items. But your code customer is 5, but customer only confirm 4. So you can change the quantity, click OK, then it transfer over so that you do not need to retype the whole things. So you can see that when it transferred, then this information will be in green color. At the left hand side, there's more information that you can key in. You can do attachment and just save it. Done. So sales order also is an internal document. You do not require to print out. Just in case you want to print, then of course this is a print button, or you can preview the document first using different format. Then you print, or you want to export to other format, no problem. So this is how you do a sales order in SQL Accounting System. The next one we'll talk about delivery order. So thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you.